So now we're going to do another round of Ignite Karaoke. So you all saw it yesterday. So we're going to need 5 very brave persons. There's one. This gentleman as well. I see 2 back there. I need 1 more. Right here. So the slides are different. The challenges are new. And so you want to go first? Sure. Why don't you go ahead and take the prime spot right there and have the other 4 of you just line up right behind the podium. Go ahead and take the mic. So, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Matt Abate.
Hi, Matt. You done Ignite before?
No.
Oh, perfect. So you guys know the format. There's going to be a slide's going to, a little spacer slide will show up that looks like this. When you're ready to talk, I'm going to advance it. And you're going to get 4 slides, 15 seconds a slide.
Then I'll slowly pops up and pass it on.
Exactly.
Right, cool.
Yes. Oh, let me advance that for you.
Start, right?
There you go.
Hi, I'm Matt Abate, and I have less than a minute to give you guys a really intense presentation that I'll do my best to do about dev and ops and how you fight like angry birds and angry pigs. But ops shouldn't be looked at as the pigs. They're nice. And dev shouldn't be so angry. They're a lot like this guy, really just enjoying their time watching the world burn. But they don't really think that. Dev is not watching the world burn. They're not so angry. And the pigs aren't so greedy either. Everybody just wants to have a good time together. Like this family here. They all just want to get along. They all just want to have a great time and enjoy each other's company and work together and help the big organization that is the giant turtle behind me. And that all comes through teamwork and collaboration, which Gmail's great at. Like if you don't have Gmail, you ain't collaborating well. I mean, they're trying to make you use Microsoft Office, which my company sadly does. You struggle because you're just like, I can't load PowerPoint in Linux. This doesn't work for me. So Gmail's a good collab tool. Thank you.
All right, you ready?
I'm Alan Koch. I'm with Town Training.
All
Sorry
right,
about that.
let's go.
So 40 years in IT, 20 years consulting. I've seen a lot. Blameless postmortems, you've got to be kidding. Have any of us ever been in one? I mean, come on. Yeah, we know we should learn from these things, but in reality, this is what we end up doing, right? And in fact, that's on a good day, right? I've actually seen this CEO. When things go wrong, he just not a happy camper here. So anyway, when this is an example of one of the things that goes wrong, right? You got this load letter, it's supposed to come out, things go wrong, and you get the call. You get the call to the data center, and they're saying, well, it's not working. Well, what's not working? I don't know. It's not working. Of course, you're in Ohio, and this person's in Singapore, which, unlike what I said before, it's not on the west, it's on the east. But anyway, it's a matter of I can't go over and look at what they're doing here, and so I just have to stop.
Thank you, great job. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm Valerie. I'm a software engineer at Panoply.
All right, Valerie, here we go.
So sometimes you have these really crazy graphs, and there's a bunch of different versions of Android, and then you're like, why can't people just use iOS? Because that is one huge piece of the pie, and what are we doing here? I can't test for all that. I'm going to do this to all the other Android phones. Give me your Android phones. This is what we're doing right now. Let's go out in the lobby. It'll be a great time. And it's just really frustrating. Why can't we have a unified ecosystem? It's really sad. I want to be like Superman and just put everyone on the same Android version and throw all of the rest into the burning data center. I'll also save the people in the data center. It's fine. That guy's having a great time. I'm going to go home, drink some tea like Kermit the Frog. It's going to be a great time.
Great job. right.
Hello, everybody. My name's Steve, and this seemed like a good idea yesterday. Hey, we're all here to talk about security, right? Computer security is the key for you to keep your job, or the key for you to get another job. It really, but it's the key that you all have to focus on. Now, I've traveled a lot of places. I've seen a lot of things. I've been to other planets. Security's a problem there as well. Here in Guardians of the Galaxy, hey, they were attacked. They needed to protect themselves. And look at this diversity group. Look at this. Security, every one of these security-minded, they all play a role. They all play a role. So, enough said.
That's good. Great job. I swear that was not rehearsed. All right, next one. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hey, my name's Andy. I'm a DevOps engineer for CGI.
All right.
All right, so we take a look at our availability that results from our transformation from a slow waterfall process into the DevOps ideology. And you see a very confusing, slow increase in availability, and then you find out that we actually are not able to provide any service to our customers whatsoever. We've effected a solution at Generic ABC Corporation that I founded personally 2 years ago that has crashed and burned pretty disastrously, leaving a lot of people shaking their heads. We are just left without an idea of what to describe for this slide. And just with many questions in terms of why we decided to embark on this journey in the first place. But when push comes to shove, really, we care about what is inside of our fortune cookies. And then we just make our way along the line, and we are good to go.
Great job.